down to the Coast Guard cottages in the background. And then County Antrim Yacht Club. And a very cold day with a calm sea. County Antrim Yacht Club and 𝙊𝙤𝙀𝙎𝙧𝙬𝙧 to the left. This is County Antrim slipway, and then looking up 𝙊𝙤𝙀𝙎𝙧𝙬𝙧. This used to be the old jetty, about 50 years ago. And then the front of 𝙎𝙊 County Antrim Yacht Club. And along the seafront. With 𝙊𝙤𝙀 Lighthouse to the right hand side. Those houses are up Donegal Avenue, and then Marine Parade. That's the train going to Carrick from number 1 platform. These few houses are just metres from the yacht club. The pink house, the green house, the yellow house and the blue house are all roughly about 300–400 years old, allegedly. A few more houses along the seafront in brighter Whitehead. This is the famous Marine Bar, or Marine Music Club, as most people would colloquially say. More houses still on the seafront. That's David the postman working and delivering the mail. This house here is getting a makeover, hopefully next year after Christmas. This was where all the tide brings up all the seaweed, sometimes throws it over these gardens. Now these gardens are about 5–6 feet high, some of them, and the seaweed comes in through the garden. Nice and Merry Christmas, good decorations. If anyone is in the vicinity here, Peter is doing mulled wine, hot chestnuts and red wine on Christmas morning at 11 o'clock. Now we are going to go in and have a wee look and see the back of Chichester Keep in this beautiful garden inside this black door. Now we're in the garden and just taking a look. This is part of Chichester Tower Keep. This house was built around 1604 or 1605. Let's see who's in the nice decorated shed. That's Cloggin Point and back in the distance. This is just a little outhouse, and all the garden furniture is stacked away neatly for the summer. Actually, I'm just taking a wee video of this here. Yes.
He had a Volkswagen.
Very
chatty guy, he loves cars.
Right.
He took a picture, it was up to him.
No, that's a lovely
That's a lot
car.
of work done on softball. Electronics. Go sell it. Not too bad.
This is just the back of 𝙎𝙊 Keep, and we're looking up this little alleyway. What's up here? Let's have a wee look up the top. Different perspective in the backs of the houses to the side of the tower keep. This is just a little garage here at the back. This was built roughly around about 40 years ago. Nice stonework. Blackhead car park and the church here. And looking down Chester Avenue down to this train station and the White Cliff just here in the centre of the picture. Little monkey puzzle, and then coming round here to this sign here, Whitehead Railway Museum entrance, and hopefully Santa will be bringing the trains, the steam trains, this Christmas. And some of these houses are about 300 years old. This is a nice specimen of Tenerife Phoenix palm, and having a look at some of these houses here. Whitehead War Memorial, and then looking down into Whitehead tennis courts, and beyond that the Railway Preservation Society and the football pitches. This part here is part of Brighter Whitehead that looks after this whole area, and a few nice palm trees in the background, and then a couple of different houses here. The long bed, and looking across this nice coppice here, and a couple of nice houses. This view is the view of the World Garden, and we'll have a wee look at the sign here. The One World Garden. Now someone has done a good job on this. Children normally come in here and play, but hopefully it'll be nice in the summer. Be bowled over by Cannon Motors. This here's just Whitehead Bowling Green, and Whitehead Bowling Club. And what time is it? 5 to 4. This is Donegal Avenue. Some nice different houses here. Now we're looking down Chester Avenue, down towards the White Cliff and the King's Road. All round Whitehead, the architecture on houses is all completely different. This is just looking up now Donegal Avenue. And this little train is going nowhere. But hopefully next year it'll all be planted out, some nice flowers from Brighter Whitehead. Again, nice different architecture in Whitehead. next to modern architecture. Another nice modern house. Back round to this part and looking over at Chester Tower, Chichester Tower Keep. Carrickfergus that way, up the King's Road, Whitehead. And then this is a little sign, Chichester Castle history, if anyone's interested in their history. This is the side of Whitehead Congregational Church. Look up at this top. This is Karen's house, our twin sisters Claire. So maybe sometime I'll do a video on Claire's house. A couple of more nice houses in Whitehead. And we're looking down towards to the left, the Whitecliff Bar and Restaurant. A couple of more different houses. All the architecture here in Whitehead have no streets. There is not a street in Whitehead. The Whitecliff Inn, beautiful bar and restaurant inside. I've put a few videos on YouTube on that. And let's go inside and have a wee look inside. Oh, let's see a fire. Oh, there's a fire. Lord, fire, look at that. This is the new Whitecliff Bar and Restaurant. And the barman's got his hat on. This is all inside the view in the Whitecliff Inn. Some nice decorations. And if anyone's looking at a nice meal, ask for James, the chef. Just a nice eating area here. And it's getting dark. A couple of more nice houses, and there's a train just gone past in the railway. Bye bye train. And anyone want to bring their car to the Whitecliff Bar and Restaurant, plenty of car parking spaces. Northern Ireland Fire and Rescue Service, when Santa has milk, he's going for milk. And welcome to Whitehead, Platform 2, Platform 1. Now we're at Whitehead train station and train waiting for some. Now we're looking at Church of St. Patrick in Victoria Avenue. And looking up Victoria Avenue.